Welcome everyone, here's how you split screen in your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. So there are two ways to activate split screen. The first way is opening up the first app you want to split screen with. Then you're going to see this sidebar right here. You're going to slide from right to left. You should see your app show up. Don't press on the second app, drag and then drop. Now the second way to split screen is open up the first app of choice, tap on the multitasking button right here. Then you're going to find the app icon, tap onto it, then you see open in split screen view. Now it's going to ask you to select the split screen app, and now you have done split screen. But there's more to it. So first of all, you can split screen more than two apps. In order to do this, you want to slide across from right to left. For any third app you want to split screen, drag and drop until you see drop here for pop-up view, and then release. Now you can add a lot of apps into this view here, okay? And you see the corners. If you move, slide where your fingers are, in the corner of these pop-up view, you can change the size. You're also going to notice this blue bar. If you tap on it, you have a bunch of options. So here is the deal. You can see the blue bar here. If I tap on it and tap this, it's going to change the blue bar into these options right here. If I tap on the triple dots, blue bar, I have these regular options. So this option right here is going to move this app into the split screen view like so. And let's continue. So I tap into here, it's glitching out a little bit. So you see this right here, this is the opacity slider. So you can change the opacity of the pop-up view. You're also able to fully, let's tap on that, minimize the app into a little app icon you can move around. And you can tap to reactivate. A little bit glitchy, I'm tapping the blue bar, takes multiple attempts now. You have the little icon here, this makes the app go full screen, so no split screen view at all. And then the X will close out of the pop-up view. Now you have these blue bars for these other apps which are in the split screen view. So if you tap on this option here, this will bring the app into the pop-up view. These little dots, this will change the app which you're split screening with the app of your choice. You have the full screen, and then you can close out of apps as well. Now you see the triple dots in the middle. You can slide up to change the percentage for the split screen to 50-50, 75-25, 25-75. If you slide all the way up, the top app will close. If you slide all the way down, the bottom app will close. If you tap on the triple dots, you have the option to switch the app which is at top and which app is at bottom as well. That's everything you need to know. If you would like to buy some accessories, a case for Samsung Z Flip 4, I'll have a link in the description. The link in the description also helps support the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.